I'm Grandmaster Jeff Wade with South Miami Taekwondo, and today we're going to learn how to make a back stance. So I'll start off with my feet together, and then I'll turn one of them 90 degrees to the side so it makes a perfect L. Then I'll simply go 3 foot lengths forward. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to bend both knees, but I'm going to bend the back knee more. 60%, 40% is approximately the weight distribution. From the other way. Feet together. Turn one of them 90 degrees in a perfect L. Then I go 3 foot lengths forward. 1, 2, 3. Then I bend both knees, but the back knee more. So it's 60, 40, more or less. Now, when you're using repeating back stances in a form, you want to make sure you go right down the line. So let's use the seam in the mat here as a line. Say in Kiran 2, I'm doing my middle blocks. I'm going to stay right on that line every time. Just like that, with my feet at 90 degrees, 60% of the weight in back, 40% in the front. And that is how you make a back stance. Thanks for watching.